Hello guys, welcome to Louis White YouTube Growth. In this video, I'll show you how to go here to channel if you are just starting out as a new creator. But the first step, I'm going to show you guys how to get your 1000 subscribers. Oh my god, this thing is so easy. The day I find out, I was like, oh my god, like this thing is so easy to get your 1000 subscribers. And in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step. So make sure you don't skip any parts and watch the video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any parts. And I assure you guys, if this method does not work, come back and unsubscribe from my channel. But if the method work, make sure to share your testimony in the comment section, like the video so I can reach a lot of people. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to go to your YouTube, go to the search menu and search for finger facts. That's the shine that the YouTube algorithm is favoring. But you can still use prosperity X. But me, the one I used to get my own subscribers first was finger facts. But I use prosperity X too, but you can use anyone. But me, I use finger facts. So you go to your finger fact. Or let's use prosperity X. So you go to prosperity X, tap on view channel. Click on this one with the 5.9 million views.
If I say something about you, you're out.
Then you click on this plus sign at the down right corner. Click on collab.
If I say something about you, you're out. Let's go with the first challenge.
And put on 60 seconds and drag it to the ending. Click on next. Then it's loading. I'm serious guys, this thing works like magic. Then it's going to take you to this interface where you just record your video, but I'm not going to record the video because I'm already recording this one for the sake of this video. So once you click on record, you should have something like this. Then once you've recorded it, you can go here, click on that pencil sign, edit your thumbnail. But me, I've edited my thumbnail, I like it like that. So you can edit your thumbnail any how you want. Then you put a title you want. I already put a title. Put a description. You schedule the post or you can post it immediately. But one thing again, you guys don't, once you want to post a video, you don't post immediately. You first put it on listed or you schedule it so that you can have a lot of views. Audience, no, it's not meant for kids. Related video, you can add related video, add playlist. You can invite a collaborator in case you guys are willing to. In case you guys want to collab, I'm willing and open for a collab. Just comment in the comment section. Yes, the other content. Add your tags. Allow video, audio remixing. No, it does not include paid promotion plans. Yes. Comments, all comments. But if you guys want to add your title, your description, and your tags, there's a specific app that I use to make my title, my description, and my tag rank higher in the search menu. But the app that I'm using to do that one is not in today's video. Maybe if I make another video, I can tell you guys the name of the app and show you guys how to use the app. Maybe another time I make another video, I can show you guys how to use the app. So now time for me to show you guys results for my other channel with 12,000 subscribers. Go to zero. There was a particular video that I did well. See, 25k views. One of them I was having thousands of views. See, this video got me 504 subscribers. This is enough to be halfway monetized. Let me show you guys now. Someone is 26,000 views. This video got me 1.2 thousand subscribers and it's still counting. Lifetime 1.2 thousand subscribers. You can see guys, you can easily get monetized easily. No stress. You can see, let me show you guys from the bottom. You can see 6.3k views, 25k views, 74k views, 19k views, 68k views, 17k views, 6.8k views, 26k views, 25k views, 18k views, 1.6k views, 8.5k views, 26k views. But you make sure that once you've gotten your subscribers, you delete the video instantly. Since if you're not in the entertainment niche, you delete the video instantly. But if you're in the entertainment niche, you can leave the video there. But don't do it all the time. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you learned something valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.